Nigga, you ain't got no motherfucking army. You joining they fucking army. And what the fuck is they doing? They going all over the goddamn world and admiralty law, they at sea, and they're taking over shit. Nigga, you ain't got no army. And even if you did have an army, you still wouldn't be able to do shit, really. You know what I'm saying? Because it's a physical thing. And Naga, you always been about spiritualness, spirituality. You know, you're disconnected. Yeah, you're disconnected, yo. You know what I'm saying? The only thing you can do right now is eat a certain way. Also, you know what I'm saying, you have to eat a certain way. You have to eat fruitarian, vegan. You know, you have to. Because if you're still eating the low vibratorial foods, like foods that are like animals and that was killed and you know, fucking drained with their blood hanging out and all that shit. Some people drink blood, you know what I mean? And they make it seem like that's the coolest thing to do. I remember when I was young, you know, in the hoods and shit, you know, get your chillins. You know, it was like a fucking rite of passage. We make anything a rite of passage. It's part of our life and shit, you know what I mean? But it's like getting jumped in the game or some shit, you know. But you ain't got that. You're not online spiritually. And so they know how to get you. They was taught. Niggas was taught, man. You know what I mean? Sprout down like joints. You know, niggas was taught to be actually opposite of themselves. They were shown and they were put in a vicinity where a motherfucker just had their way with them and just allowed they was allowed to gaslight and project all the insecurities on them without nobody even interrupting. It says it in the scripts. You know what I'm saying? You can make anything applying anything. You know what I'm saying? As long as you get the cream, you can apply it. That's the understanding or the comprehension, you know, within your inner self or having an inner standing. You know what I'm saying? So you can understand and overstand. You plant the seed under the soil, boom, and then bam, you have the understanding that comes out and overstands it like, yo, this what it is. And I bloom out and I got fruits and shit. You know what I'm saying? But you ain't got no goddamn army. The only army you got is the most high heavenly kingdom, baby. No power you should put before that mug and because if you do, you get fucked over. And you see, that's what happens, man. Everything that goes down in the game, B. Everything that you see, smell, taste, touch, that's connected to you. You the natural being. But when they disconnect you from that, the false AI came in, you know, they made everybody, they put the spell on everybody else, to all the other naturals, and made them believe that the grafted version was the gods. You know, they were the earth angels. And they're the ones teaching, you know what I'm saying, the truth and peace and prosperity. That shit ain't been raining. America's been at war for forever, nigga, since it's been founded. You ain't Google it, you know, Google's running, you know who Google is. Google that shit, search it. You know what I mean? It's been around for a while. You know, they've been warring with the Indians. We already know the niggas is the Indians. They wasn't warring with the other, with the lighter shade of our Native American brothers up in the Western Plains, a little bit higher up, you know. But we allowed them to have land too. They were dark. You know, they were darker too. They were dark. They had the whole range of complexion, like we all do. Except the Caucasian, they got different hair complexions. We got different hair complexions too, but they got, you know, some's pale, some's tan, some get dark as a motherfucker. You see a motherfucker dark as me and shit. Like, goddamn, you must be Italian. Shit. If you ain't from the Amaru, unless you got mixed with that gene, nobody was over there, you know. So you disconnected yourself by taking your power away from, you know, by using other powers and started adapting to these other people's civilizations and culture and shit. And most I was like, nah, don't do that. Warned you that don't do it. You know, you stiff neck. You know what I'm saying, Jake? You know, I happen to have surgery on my neck, so just letting you know, like, nigga, you stiff neck. That's what everybody used to call me, stiff neck. You stiff neck, nigga. Like, man, I had to whoop everybody's ass. Ain't no stiff neck, nigga. Man, you mad at me, man? I ain't made this happen like that. Look at that Dougie Dub over there. Uh-oh, Dougie Dub. Trying to get something. Look at him. Uh-oh, he's trying to get something. All right, nigga had to stand up in front of me. Hey, okay, I ain't mean to spit on you, nigga. Look at him, boy. You about to get you some, ain't you? You about to get you some, nigga. She like that. Look at her. She like it. Yeah, he like, yeah. We're doing the maiden dance. He got something to eat for her. She ain't ready yet. Okay, give her some more. All right, my ninja. That nigga doing his dance. He doing his neck back. They doing the whoop. Oh, snap. Oh, he's like, man, baby. You know what I'm saying? Like, he's watching over there. He's watching. It's like, damn, so we watch his ass piss all the goddamn on time. All right. Hopefully y'all seen that. I don't know if it was on. But yeah, you ain't got nothing but the heavenly the kingdoms, man. Up there in the upper room. And the upper room happen to be in your body, man. You can get to the upper room right here. Yeah. Today, nigga, you ain't even gotta go buy no ticket. You ain't even gotta get on no plane, go nowhere else, nigga. You gonna get in here, nigga. That's where it goes. And the secret is your seamless sacredness. You know it's fucked up when you're sitting there going, letting yourself go. You know it's fucked up, shit. You know it's fucked up. You know you feel bad. You busting that. After a while, you probably get used to it. Like, fucking, hey, man. Going to the bathroom, mom. That's what a teenager is. Shit. You going to the bathroom, be jiggling that door in your ass. Man, open that door up, boy. What the hell you up? Fuck up your shit, dog. Hunt that. That boy in there. Your son in there. You know, the first one was like the mama and shit. You know what I'm saying? Your son's in there doing something. He ain't got no minute doing. Well, you need to be over there getting on his ass. Yeah. You know, you supposed to correct that shit. You see the boss niggas in her ass. You know, correct that shit. Anyhow, I hold this big ass pad in my hand. I'm grateful for that. You know what I mean? So yeah, to get back to your kingdom, you gotta get up there with the upper room, man. You got etheric angels, man. I'm trying to tell you. Okay, look, there's beings. I ain't talking about the people who just passed away in the last 10, 15, 20 years and nothing like that. I ain't talking about even some people who's been here for 100 years, dudes passed away 100 years ago that you may not know. I ain't talking about them. I'm talking about them niggas that done graduated. You know, that passed away thousands of years ago, nigga. Them niggas. Thousands before there was Caucasians in the game. You understand what the hell they're trying to saying to you? There was these niggas. These are the niggas that's getting everything up, man. Them the niggas that's got the havoc, they got the schools and everything up there, man. They causing the havoc up there. That's why you're so dissatisfied now with shit. This is unfair. Everybody took a treaty against your ass. It's in the scripts. It's in the scripts. It's all part of the scripts, and you know, prophecy got to fulfill itself. And then, you know, damn, we on your ass, G. We on your ass. We're actually on your ass right now. You know what I'm saying? So the whole thing is to get you. They're like, damn, fuck it, man. They want to just. What's up? What's Swift behind me right there? Swift like, man, can I get something, dog? Can I get something? I'm looking like I gotta go into the stuff to get it. No, he ain't even moving. That motherfucker still like, nigga, I ain't going nowhere. Damn. All right. So, hold on. You know what? Okay, I'm gonna twist this song. I got the other 30 dubs up there. I ain't even watch them. Look, that's the music and shit. Them niggas something else. So I'm trying to do this. I see Swift back there. That's his thing. Still ain't leave. Yeah. All right. I'm gonna crush this up from my NAGA. You know, anything natural is a NAGA. This is the creator, man. It's the same shit. These are spirits in this form. It's a school for them. They learn how to get around and do things too. Let me see, what's Swift ass ass? That nigga still there. Alright, there you go, Swift. Nigga's like, man, that's my ninja though. I call him Swift. I'm telling you, man. Yeah, that's a big piece right there, Swift. What you gonna do with it, man? Hold on, wait. Let me throw this out there for you real fast. I got another. I'm gonna break it down a little bit more. Talking about my nails and shit, like, man, nails. The girls be saying that shit, well, girl would. But a lot of them don't. They understand, like, bitch, I ain't playing with no pussy right now. You know what I'm saying? There's more things to do than play with your funky ass. If you one of them entitled type chicks, and that goes back to whole narcissism and shit, and motherfuckers gotta heal themselves. You know what I mean? Gotta heal that heart chakra. You think the pussy gonna get shit in heaven? I don't know what the fuck. I mean, the Muslims, they be like, nigga, hey, we got, you getting to our shit, nigga. We got 4 or 20 virgins, niggas, for your ass, nigga. 20 virgins for you, nigga. Some corporeal shit just sitting in your little palace, nigga, all day long. That's what they guys say. Nigga, you got 20 virgins for me? Shit. What's the requirements of you? Just to serve your shit, man. You see what the creator here, man, sacrifice here, is that you know, damn, this is the vessel of the creator, G. So if you, especially if you dealt with sex early in your life, man, shit. You're gonna now, it's like, you know, when you're dealing with celibacy, you keeping all that life. Or you just chilling with the holy angels, man. They're on that point. I mean, it's really serious, man. You're not animals and shit. You're not sitting there mating seasons. your mating season is like fucking the Vulcans and shit with Tupac and all them motherfuckers. He had a wife. The motherfucker was old, you know. And so his wife, shit, they have mate every 7 years and shit. Them motherfuckers is out doing the will of the creator. That's really what it is in Star Trek. You know what I'm saying? Niggas is no matter. It's funny. I mean, like, no matter what you do, you're gonna always be fucking doing something new. Seeing something new that the creator created that you don't know shit about, and the creator still has to give you little clues along your way, according to your fucking, you know what I'm saying, elevation. You know, Mother's been around, man. So you got Mother's been up there for a while. For a while. You know what I'm saying? Earth is mature right now. So yeah, man. Anyhow, that's the way we get back on. You know what I'm saying? Your talents are heightened, your love are heightened. You start getting back friendly and playful like how you be when you be joking with each other. You know what I'm saying? These people don't understand that now because it's kind of like dated them. It's been like, you can be joking, them motherfuckers will take everything the wrong way. You can just be saying what's up. They could think you're trying to get with them, or you're allowing their motherfucking their pass at you and shit. Like they be like, what's up? You're like, oh, what's up, bro? And you know they over there at you trying to take off the shoes, lying laid back. Like, hold on, motherfucker, what the fuck wrong with you? I'm chilling. You know, you gotta damn near fight to make a motherfucker not be with you, not be around your ass and shit. Girls, it's like they don't even get hit on like that no more. Ain't that a bitch? You got about a midnight bitch. If they get hit on, it's like in a whole other way. It's like guys hate girls now. They don't even understand because they're so low in their sex. They're like low now. Like they don't even fuck with a bitch no more. They got niggas that put wigs on now. I'll tell you how serious this shit get. They got niggas that put wigs on. I'm talking about wigs, man. Then, if it ain't niggas, they want a light-skinned, exotic bitch, they get a Mexican ass nigga and shit. You know what I mean? Slap his wig on, Felipe. You know what I mean? Gonzalez and shit. This is fucked up, man. They say, you know, you got this motherfucker doing what it do to you. Like, yo, we don't even need a bitch no more. This motherfucker got pure neck. Pure fucking neck. A bitch, what the fuck you need a bitch for at this point? You can't even communicate with a bitch at that point. If you went all the way, ain't no bisexual at that point. It's try anything sexual, man. It's trisexual at that point. Because you have to heal after that. If that's your kundalini going that way, then you're thinking a whole other way. You know what I'm saying? It's the taboo-ness of the whole shit. So, yeah, I mean, like, the women, they just now, because they pride money so much, they done found a way to motherfucking get money. Get money over niggas or money over men or whatever the fuck, and they're kind of cool with that. Now they got devices like fuck machines and shit like that. Go 300 pumps a minute. They don't even need a nigga no more. They got different size ways. Motherfucker, what size you need? Unless you the nigga that's really in tune, like, nigga, hey, I'm the motherfucker that I hold the control, nigga. We got 7 different size dicks right here for your ass, bitch. In different mode, 300 pumps a minute on your ass. I'll be the motherfucker controlling it. Pull my nigga out in front of your face, bitch. Now you go crazy, like, I ain't seen my nigga. Fuck that, bitch. You crazy. You know what I mean? But we gonna sit here and watch and see if you fucking have a stroke on the dick. You probably would. You that fucked up. You know, shit like that, man. So I'm just letting you know, just slow now. And men, like I say, slap a wig on a motherfucker. It's training at this point. Slap a wig on it. It's training. They ain't gotta have a surgery, nigga. Slap a wig on it. That's it, nigga. The motherfucker can get your ass at, fuck your ass. They're like, damn, bitch, I don't know what you do. But see, different. Black bitches and white bitches, they give head on a whole different way, man. Because it's like, white bitches, you wouldn't even feel that they're giving head. They're actually giving head. Well, they're giving soft head. It's like soft head. Versus a sister, man, she gonna give head. And she doing everything. Neck, veins and shit popping out. This juice. Damn, bitch, you really feel like your dick got worked out, man. Like, for real, like your suspensory ligament is just pulled all the way out. Shit, this bitch done did everything. Went all on funny. Like, damn, bitch. Who the fuck taught you like this? It's in you then. You went down low. Most I said, man, you don't even want to see my the low self. The low self is fucking low. But if you go, you still get up, but you have to put in that work, man. But that's what I'm saying. Only way you got your shit is if you put in that work. And that's when you get your power back. But other than that, you ain't got no army, nigga. Never give a fuck. They gonna violate you all the time. All you can do is buy some time and hopefully you connect back to the Most High. That's it. You know what I'm saying? By putting in the work, that's it. I love y'all. Faith is the substance of things hoped for. Peace.